Hi everyone, I'm Raquel, I'm from Portugal and I heard about StraightBox Direct and I decided to give it a try myself. I want a perfect smile. I just downloaded the app, I took some photos and in less than a week I received my Smile Box kit. So inside the box we have the impression manual. It's really easy to understand, so I'm all set to start. I just have to mix white with the purple, put it inside here. And I'm really excited to start my treatment. I just have to send the impressions so we get our invisible eyeliners. So my StraightBox has just arrived. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have here some bags with a liner inside and they have a number on it. I receive a message on the app and that explains how I have to use them. So each number corresponds to a week or 2 weeks in my case, and I have to use them by the order that it says. So I have 4 of these. Then I have a toothpaste, so they offer me a toothpaste, Regenerate. So we have a box here, a small box with a mirror, and it has a small thing, I believe, to take the aligners, and this is to adjust the aligners. And then you can put your aligners here when you're going to eat, for example, and you can save them and put it in your bag. So we have also a liner wear and care that explains what we should do or we should not do with the aligners. So let's start the treatment. I want something simple. I don't want to have a metallic smile, to go to a doctor every week. So that was the better option as it's really easy to use.
Just finished my treatment with StraightBox Direct. It's been an amazing experience so far. With nowadays situation, that's really amazing that we can have this kind of treatment just in our home. I did everything by myself with the help of online experts that were able to answer my questions in a very short time. And let me say this, it's half of the price that there is in the market. I really recommend StraightBox Direct.
Thank you, StraightBox Direct.